Revolution in insulation costs. Akfix 960 Adhesive Foam. Akfix Adhesive Foam provides cost efficiency between 30 and 40% of your insulation work compared to conventional adhesive mortar. Sheeting buildings with insulation boards is the first and most significant phase of insulation work. Today, installation of insulation boards is performed using powder adhesive mortar available in paper bags. It is quite inconvenient and costly to use this standardized method. Speed up your work, save your budget. New Akfix Adhesive Foam ensures a stronger adhesion compared to conventional powder adhesive mortar. It is more economic. It is applied in a clean and practical way. A contractor using the conventional method has to purchase approximately 1,000 kilograms adhesive mortar in order to insulate an area of 200 square meters. A large vehicle and storage space are required for transporting such a heavy load. In addition, transportation of such a weight from one location to another is quite inconvenient and uncomfortable. A contractor who prefers Akfix Adhesive Foam purchases only 2 boxes of Akfix 960 Adhesive Foam in order to insulate an area of 200 square meters. Also, a small vehicle will be sufficient for transportation. A contractor who prefers Akfix Adhesive Foam pays 30 to 40% less to the vendor compared to a contractor who buys conventional adhesive mortar. When the conventional method is used, also other ancillary materials such as a bucket, mixer, electric cable or trowel is required for the preparation of the adhesive mortar. Making available the mortar in powder form by mixing with the mixer causes a time loss of half an hour before beginning work. This loss of time is 4 hours in total for the entire work process. It is not only difficult to move buckets full of adhesive mortar to upper floors, but also causes a remarkable loss of time as well. Appliers who prefer Akfix Adhesive Foam don't need any water, mixer or other material to start work. They simply remove the product from its package, shake it properly and screw it onto the gun adapter to start work. This takes a maximum of 1 minute. It is also very easy to transfer the adhesive foam required for applications on higher floors. An insulation board with adhesive mortar on it is approximately 3 kilograms. An application with conventional method on an area of 200 square meters applies approximately 1 ton of additional adhesive mortar weight on the building. The weight of an insulation board on which Akfix Adhesive Foam is applied is only 600 grams. The additional weight applied on the building originating from adhesive foam in an application of 200 square meters is as little as 32 kilograms. In the conventional method, the application of adhesive mortar on insulation board takes 1 minute on average. The application of Akfix adhesive foam on insulation boards takes only 15 seconds. In the period during which only one board can be fixed using a conventional method, 4 boards can be applied using Akfix adhesive foam. The full setting time of boards applied using the conventional adhesive mortar is longer than 1 day, depending on ambient temperature and relative humidity. Mechanical fastening and surface applications can be performed on boards only 1 day after application. Heat insulation boards applied using Akfix adhesive foam sticks within 2 hours at the latest without the possibility of detachment from the surface. 2 hours after it is applied, it is mechanically fastened and surface applications can start accordingly. It sticks very strongly. Compared to adhesive mortar, its adhesiveness is 3 times higher. While boards applied using conventional adhesive mortar easily detach from the wall, despite a lapse of 1 day, boards applied using Akfix adhesive foam are impossible to remove 2 hours after application. When using conventional adhesive mortar, insulation of an area of 200 square meters can be completed as late as 2 days with 2 workers. Application of Akfix adhesive foam for insulating boards is 5 times faster compared to the use of conventional adhesive mortar in terms of total duration of work. By using Akfix adhesive foam, insulation over an area of 200 square meters can be completed in 1 day with 2 workers. While a contractor using the conventional method pays for 2 days' workmanship at the end of the work, a contractor using Akfix adhesive foam incurs only the cost of 1 day's workmanship for the same period. A contractor applying Akfix adhesive foam only has to pay 30 to 40% less for purchasing, transportation, storage, and labor costs, compared to a contractor who prefers the conventional method. Akfix 960 adhesive foam. Revolution in insulation costs. Technical specifications for using Akfix 960 adhesive foam. The thin adhesive foam layer applied for adhesive purposes contributes to heat insulation. The heat insulation provided by Akfix adhesive foam, with a thickness of 2 millimeters, can only be ensured by adhesive mortar with a thickness of 30 centimeters. In case of any space which may spoil the balance of the scale between the wall and the board, the scale is balanced by fixing an additional board with appropriate thickness between the wall and the insulation board. Linear spaces which may form on joints of boards can be closed by attaching a thin plastic bit on the end of the foam pistol. In case of thin surface differences between boards, the surface can be smoothed by applying some foam behind the board. You can easily insulate window margins which may cause trouble, particularly during application. When adhered properly to the surface, Akfix adhesive foam never swells. It forms an extremely thin film layer between the surface and board. Akfix adhesive foam is conveniently applicable at an ambient temperature of 0 degrees centigrade. It uses B2 formula according to the DIN 4102. It decelerates transfer of flames during a fire. For a successful application, the surface must be even and free from dust, dirt, lime or oil. If it is to be applied on plastered surface, the adhesiveness of the existing plasters and paint layers must be examined. Make sure to install sub-basement profiles before starting application. Akfix adhesive foam must be kept at ambient room temperature during application. With an 800 milliliter metal box of Akfix adhesive foam, 6 to 10 square meters of insulation board can be fixed depending on the use. If a quicker setting is desired, simply moisten the surface to be insulated slightly. Clean the applicator gun with Akfix foam cleaner right after application. Akfix delivers fast, economic and durable solutions.